At Waterlust, we spend a lot of time making movies about water and the life within it. Our journeys take us around the world, most times to pretty remote places. Last summer, we decided to build a mobile film studio. We wanted to build it ourselves, well, because building stuff is fun, and landed on a wooden teardrop trailer design with a queen-size bed. It took us about 5 months to build, and towards the end, we installed an electrical system that would suit our needs. The trailer is powered by solar panels and the towing car's alternator. For AC electricity, we use Xantrex Compact Freedom XC Inverter, a 2000W inverter with built-in charger and transfer switch, for those lucky days when you have access to shore power. With the Freedom XC, we can power a full kitchen, review and edit film, and use an independent source of electricity to get work done, power our cameras, drones, sliders, and everything else we might need to make movies on the go.